Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a wig review and this is going to be an Amazon wig. So a lot of the times I do actual website wigs and then Amazon wigs. I like to mix it up because I feel like a lot of people go to Amazon to buy wigs. I know I go to Amazon whenever I'm trying to look for a wig for a costume or just like any type of special event. Like I just don't think to go to specific websites. Amazon is always my go-to. Plus they have reviews and a lot of the times they have pictures with those reviews. So today I'm going to be talking about this cute wig right here. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for the fall right now and it's only fitting. Got all my fall decorations up right now for Halloween. So this wig right here is from this company on Amazon called Sapphire Wigs, and they're a very affordable wig company. They have all types of wigs, long curly brunette wigs or long blonde ones, those bombshell type of wigs, and then cute wigs like this, like very trendy bobs with trendy ombre colors like so. I am reviewing this one right here. I have the picture. I also might do a screen grab on the screen, and this wig right here is their ombre brown color water wave daily makeup synthetic lace front wedding party wig. So they put a lot of into their description of the title of the wig to grab people's attention. Obviously you can wear it for a wedding party or any type of party, anything like that. Now this color right here is in the ombre brown, and it is only $38.80, so that is a very good price for lace front wigs. It was a lace front wig. I did cut off the excess lace, and it sits on the head pretty nicely. It has a nice scalp right here, so it looks very realistic. So it is 100% heat resistant and with synthetic fibers. Has 3 clips, 2 right here and then 1, I think it was at the bottom, no, it was at the front. And also a hook for maximum security. I hate when I say that because then it just reminds me of a jail, but that's not what I'm trying to say. So they have this in the color blonde, dark green, green, gray, light brown, light green, orange, and pink. I decided to go with this color right here because like I said, I wanted a really cool, nice fall looking wig, and I think this is perfect for that. And whenever I want to feel adventurous, wear this out. I love the color. I've always wanted to do like a nice caramel, like dark brown like this. It's not dark brown, but like a light champagne brown. So they have a bunch of colors, and then there's like 45 reviews on here with girls wearing it in all different types of colors. Okay, so I'm done reading half of the details to you. There's not really much details. That's usually how Amazon is. They like to keep it short and sweet. So I'm gonna like show you what and tell you what I think about this wig right here. I just popped this wig on not too long ago. I absolutely loved it. I wasn't too sure when I took it out of the packaging if I would love it, but what I also loved about this wig is it came in like 3 bags. It came in a FedEx box, it came in another little box, and then it came in this. So it's definitely very secure and they're taking care of your wig. And it also came with a wig cap. So gotta love a company who provides you a wig cap. The waves are really beautiful. This wig, honestly, I think if I wore this to school or to work, people wouldn't notice that I'm wearing a wig unless you're a wig expert. Kind of like, I kind of always notice when someone's wearing a wig just because I wear wigs so much that you just know. It's kind of like that type of thing. So it's a very natural, especially if you plucked the hairs up right here. You will definitely get that natural type of look. Like if I were to pluck some hairs out right here, I think that it would look nice and natural. When you tug on it, the cap doesn't lift up, so if you don't have any type of lace wig glue, it's gonna be okay for the most part. Right here, it lifts up a little bit, so the cap size was a little big on me. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the hairline just so you can get the 100% feel of this wig. So this is the hairline, nice and natural. I love it. Right here, there's scalp. It looks very natural. If you were to add some concealer, then that would make it a little bit more realistic. But that is the line right there. And I love the length of this wig. Like I said, it looks very natural. So there's very minimum synthetic shine. It really just looks like I went to the salon and they did my hair for me, because a lot of the times when you go to the salon, you get this really nice type of glossy look. So the wig is glossy, not shiny. Those are two very different things. It's cut into kind of a long bob, not a short bob, and I will show you the length of it in the back. So it goes about right here where my shoulders are, and it's a little bit asymmetrical. And then when I turn around, this is the length. It's a little shorter in the back. I love, super cute, very fun, love the length. Now I haven't really gotten to play with this wig too much, so it is kind of like a middle part wig, but you can always move it around. Like, you can move the part if you want, and then you can get that really cute type of thrown over look that I see a lot of girls rock. I love this look in particular. Like, I think it looks better than the middle part in my opinion. It's more fun. It just is. And you can also throw it, if that's not your side, you can throw it to this side. I love this side as well. It's very classic and glamorous. And then also, if you want to do a cute half up, half down type of look, I just love how tangle free this wig is. I've only been playing with it for a little bit, but I really love it because it's not giving me any complications whatsoever. For the price, I honestly thought that it would be giving me a lot more problems, but it's not. Okay, so if you wanted to, that doesn't really look too natural, to be honest. Like, there's a ponytail, it just doesn't. I feel like I have a lot of trouble making ombre wigs look natural, but if you are a dark brunette, then you can just pull your hair over it and fix it. But I am a redhead, so this hairstyle right here would not work. I mean, I'm just being honest. If you want to do like a cute, like half up, half down bun, you could do that. The wig holds very well in place and it molds very nicely. See, I don't even have bobby pins in that yet, but it looks really cute. And if I were to secure that in place, I think that it would just make such a difference. So now that I'm securing it in place, like, it looks way better. It is really cute. And look at, when you pull it apart, you don't see all the seams of the wig. So I think that looks great right there, like no seams or anything. Like I said, I think this wig is perfect for the fall, so if you place like a type of floppy hat on it, I think that it looks really, really cute. Like, imagine taking this at a pumpkin patch, you're all set. Like, it looks so adorable, but it also works for the summer, so I'm thinking of doing some type of like light and airy bridal look with this wig, just so you guys can kind of get the feel of how this wig looks. Like, that's why a lot of the times I buy wigs, or for that specific reason. Or you can do like a cute type of low ponytail like this. I typically love this style right here. Okay, you guys, so that is my review on Sapphire Wigs. I will say this is a plus for me. I absolutely love this wig. It's very beautiful, very versatile, and fun to play around with. It's overall very natural, and I didn't really have any problems with it. And like I said, the only thing I did was doing the half up, half down thing. But like I said, if you're a natural brunette, that won't be a problem for you. But I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. I will leave this wig down below if you guys are interested, and I will see you in my next wig review.